Do you know how long does it take to set up the tripod? Regardless for its large size for narrow places. Are you getting bored switching between tripod to another to get a closer shot? And of course, you need much smaller tripod for micro footage. Vertical photos is impossible without special equipment. So now it is time to put all of these tripods in one tripod to save time, space and money. So all we're gonna need is selfie stick with adjustable height and make sure it can rotate in all direction. And this one has mirror too. Two of these, or you can use a rope, a tape, a glue, it doesn't matter. Two of these, two screws that can fit inside it. If you don't have this shape, it's okay, you can use a normal screw. It is still gonna work fine, but I recommend one of these so you can easily open it and close it. And finally, some wood. And this is what we're gonna make. I know it looks complex here, but it's not. And now let's cut some wood. My plan was to put these pieces together and this piece of wood go through them just like that, and the same to the ground part. But this piece of wood is too flexible, so I have to do some changes to fix this. I found this plastic tube, so I decided to make some adjustment to make it fit. Now the first part is done. Now it's time to make a stand for it and it's ready to go. It's good so far. Wait, stop. We had a goal on Patreon to buy an electric grinding tool. Help me guys to reach it and I will gonna buy it, and guess what? I will write the name of everyone who helped me on it. Back to the video. Now let's go shopping. That's cool.
Magic.
Whoops. Oh, it works. It works fine. It looks stable. I can call this a success. مفيش خلفية كده واحد يصور فيها خالص. It's too big to get it in one shot. Let's add a smartphone. Whoops. Let's add some weight. It can hold the phone, but it doesn't look right. And if I increase the length, it starts to bend. And there is a huge tension here and there. It will not gonna survive long. It's perfect so far. Okay, it's perfectly balanced. It is good so far. So let's increase it more. still balanced, I guess. That's cool. Let's increase it. Oh, okay, this is deadly. Okay. It's still balanced, as you can see, without doing anything. We need weight. It's balanced. Yeah. It's perfect. That's it. That's it. If it can do this, it is done. Now let's see. I'm gonna leave my hand. Okay, more weight on this side. Yep, that's fine. That's perfect. And now it is time for the final fight between the normal tripod and the all-in-one handmade tripod. Eight seconds. 22 seconds.